Okay, welcome my favorite people to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about really quick and easy makeup look. I'm going to be using NYX my primer. This is going to be on top. And I saw a couple of celebrities wearing this type of makeup look. And honestly, it's funny to say about 1 year ago, I did similar makeup look and it actually was very well received. That's why I'm going to show you how you can recreate something super quick, similar, beautiful within a couple of minutes. It's like quick and easy, and I'm in a huge rush. That is the main reason why we're doing something super quick and easy. So we're gonna set my lid with super soft, like maybe this brown and a little bit of this sort of beige color with big and fluffy brush. I can tell you that every single person can do this. So you need a little bit of primer, and on top set with beautiful eyeshadows. Okay, next color is gonna be shimmery shade, and what is really important about that is that it has to be with wet brush. It's just my personal thing to do. I love it, and you can choose absolutely anything. It can be bright colors. For the sake of the video, let's do some lemon color. Now let's do this orange. I guess it's gonna be super pretty and vibrant at the same time. I'm gonna hit this eyeshadows with this brush, and then oh, it's super pretty. This is gonna be a pretty base, and with this flat brush you can choose something smaller if you don't really feel good about like brushes and it's getting a little bit messy. That's why start small. Okay, I'm gonna start doing this very beautiful bright orange in the inner corner. But the key for this makeup look is that you don't really have to create anything over your lid. It's just a little bit of shimmers in the inner corner, and that's pretty much it. So the basic thing is to do it like that and coat your lashes with mascara. That's pretty much it. But you know me, I'm not a huge fan of this technique because I love when I have a little bit of like a pop of black color over my lash line. And we're gonna do pretty much similar thing, but it's up to you guys. If you want to live it like that and add some mascara on top, then go ahead and do this. I wouldn't probably recommend something super dark like black or maybe purple, dark purple color, because it might look a little bit crazy, like you have some shadows in this area. It's better to use some maybe blue or pink colors, this type of orange. So it's gonna open your eye, and that is it, guys. That is pretty much it. Now, okay, to my options, a little bit of a black liner. And let's coat my lashes with mascara. My husband and I, we came home around 12 yesterday, and now I'm heading to my friend's home. It took me literally like, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes to complete this very beautiful makeup look. One of my favorite Essence lip glosses. Don't really pay attention to the mess that I have on top because I am going to a swimming pool. I don't really want to do any hairstyle before a swimming pool. When you have no idea what to do, grab some shimmers, place them in the inner corner, and that is it. Okay guys, love you so much, and I'm gonna see you next time. I'm running out of time, so I'm gonna go, and till next time.